Hello to everyone out there. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. And what I want to discuss, for those that don't know, my name is Amanda Ray and I am an online marketer. I've been online since 2015. I've been promoting an opportunity that has changed my life. It's allowed me to travel out of the country and do some other things that I would have never been able to do without this opportunity. And what I want to go over today is for those who are in the Power Lead system that's looking at it, or for those who don't know anything about the Power Lead system, I'm going to give you some information about that today. So the Power Lead system is a marketing tool that I've been using to promote my main business opportunity, and I've been able to earn thousands of dollars online with this opportunity. I'm going to just take you here to my Bank of America, just to let everybody know that this is not for fake. I am not making this up. Thousands of dollars with this program, and also just being able to share my information and show people step by step how to earn online has helped to change my life and also a lot of other lives out there. So we get paid through Priceless Possibilities, which is a part of the Power Lead system, and that's where the payments come in at. And I've been able to generate a ton of commissions with this system. Okay. Let me see if I can find it. Hold on one second here. Let me go back one. Let's see if they'll let me. Okay, here we go. I'm sorry about that. And yeah, this is my account. A lot of people is like, okay, here you go, my name, Amanda A. Ray. That's me. I'm Amanda Ray. Here, I just wanted to show you some of the deposits that I get paid every single Wednesday from this opportunity. Here are the payments that I've gotten in: thousands of dollars, $2,300, $900, $3,500, $69, $691, $4,000, $4,000, $6,000. It just keeps going on and on and on. And Priceless Possibilities is a part of the Power Lead system where you can get deposit, or if you don't want to do direct deposit, you can get a bank card from PLS and they'll pay you directly to the bank card. So I love that they give 2 ways to pay. You don't have to worry about PayPal if you don't really like dealing with PayPal. I know for a lot of people, PayPal is a problem. Not only that, this is an international business. So this is just not for people in the US. I have people that have joined me that are all over the world, that are in different parts of the country, that are from Canada, and they love the Power Lead system. Okay, they love that it's easy to duplicate, it's easy to get started, it really allows you to take out the guessing game, which is what I love, because I'm the type of person, I'm hands-on. Sometimes I need to see things more than once, and I need for things to make sense. Okay. And that's what I love about the Power Lead system. When I go into these little short videos of how to use the system, or if I have a question, they have a Facebook group that has like 40,000 people in it, and people are here to help you. Okay. So that's what I love the most. Okay. I've gotten into programs and no one was there to help me in the past, and no one cared. And the training in the back office did really little to no work to actually. So with this system, I didn't experience that, and that really allowed me to take my business to the next level. So what I want people to know is about the roadmap to riches. If you go into the training part of the Power Lead system and you click here on the roadmap to riches, okay, when you get in, let me tell you guys something. This information is life-changing because it really gives you a breakdown of what you can experience when you join the system and how it can work in your favor. Okay. And I'm going to just point out I went ahead and I downloaded it. And what I really want to touch on today is this part about how to easily earn a lucrative income. It's page 6 when you get into the roadmap to riches. And I just want to go over something that really caught my attention and that can really help you to understand business, online business, and kind of give you realistic expectations with this opportunity. So how to easily earn a lucrative income. What we have down here, and this is on page 6, and it is kind of long, but you can break it down and read as much or as little as you want. But here they have in step 2.1 to understand the business models, so you can really understand how you to make a full-time income. Step 2.2 gives you a vision on how to earn $600 per month in 120 days. And then step 2.3 gives you a clear vision on how to earn $10,000 per month in 8 months or less. Okay. And, these numbers is a little bit off, but it's pretty much on point. Okay. And, you don't want to skip anything. You want to just go through it little by little. So I'm going to just go through this basically, where they just show you how with only 4 customers, customers pay $30 per month. You get your 4 customers within the first month. Everyone does the same 120 days. Of course, everybody's not going to do the same, but just think about it. If a portion of that does it, how much you can make. They have 50% matching bonuses so that everybody that comes into your downline, someone comes in there earning $500 a month, you're going to earn $250 a month off of that person. And then how you share the customers with your upline. Okay. So they just give you the breakdown of that. They give you the breakdown of how, in 1 month, you got 2 new people on your pay line. It's $40. That's total monthly income of $40. The second month, it just tells you how it increases every single month. Okay. And, this just basically shows you how in 120 days you could be at $600 per month. Now, I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but that's not including a lot of other ways that you can make money with this program. Okay, that's just at the lowest level. So when you have people upgrading, that's where the magic comes in. So that's why I tell people, if you are at the higher levels, you have the opportunity to make more money. Okay, and it's basically telling you what to do and how to do it, and what to expect when you're going on your journey. Okay, so you have an idea of what to expect and how to really make this work in your favor. Okay, so what I also want to tell people is, like, I had a conversation with another marketer today, and he was basically explaining like this: if you are at the lowest level, it's like you having a vending machine. Okay, if your vending machine only has one thing in it, you only have one thing for people to pick from. So to make as much as if a person has multiple things to pick from. Okay, if you had 2 vending machines sitting side by side, and let's say you love Snicker bars, but that one vending machine only had M&Ms, right? What they're going to do, they're going to go to the vending machine that has what they're looking for. So what I tell people is, instead of coming at the lowest level, come in at the highest level or as high as you can get, because then you have multiple things for people to choose from. Everyone is not going to come in at the lowest level. Some people are going to come in at the mid level, and some people are going to come in at the highest level. But if you position yourself to only cater to those at the lowest level, that's what you're going to get. Okay, so that's really important. And they just show you how to earn $10,000 per month. And this really, not only that, it gives you information on mindset, what to really think when coming into this business, your expectations, they're realistic, how to become an affiliate so that you can get paid and things like that. So I really recommend that when you come in and you get started, that you really look at the roadmap to riches, take some time to really accustom yourself with what's going on, how online business works, what to expect. And it's not overwhelming, because it's information that you need, and it really gives you a way to understand what's going on within your business that you're about to start. If you have a business, let's say if you had a franchise for Burger King, you're going to want to know how to start, how it flows, what the percentage you're making off of each item, how to hire people, how many workers you need. There's ins and outs of every business. But the thing is with this, you're not paying as much as if you would have went and got a Burger King franchise, but you're still getting the same, even more value, I believe, and you're going to be able to earn a lot more without having to put out a lot of money. So again, Roadmap to Riches is right here in your back office when you get into PLS. And I honestly believe that this is a great way to really start reflecting on what it is that you want and how to get it. Okay, so they have the overview, how to easily earn a lucrative income, the foundation, huge values, how to promote the system, and how to guarantee your success. Virtually how to guarantee based off of what it is that you need to do. So if you would like to connect with me, my information is in the description below. You can also connect with me Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed for more value, and I'll be back with you again tomorrow. Thanks again.